Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 21. Let us straight away go to our quiz. Pyruvate arising from glycolysis is transported to the mitochondrial matrix and decarboxylated. That is, carbon dioxide is removed. Oxidation of pyruvate. Glycolysis consumes 2 ATP and produces dash ATP. For ATP. The oxidation of glucose. Glycolysis. What is formed by pyruvate oxidation? Acetyl-CoA, NADH, and hydrogen ions. What is the function of acetyl-CoA? It carries acetyl groups from one set of reaction to another. What is produced by glycolysis? Two ATP, two NADH, two pyruvate, two hydrogen ions, and two water molecules. Dash phosphorylation. Oxidative. Electrons dash energy as they move from electron carrier to electron carrier. Lose. What energy is used to pump hydrogen ions against electrochemical gradient into the intermembrane spaces? Energy that electrons lose as they are passed from carrier to carrier. The energy stored in the form of hydrogen ion gradient is used by ATP synthase to make ATP. What is the terminal electron acceptor? Oxygen. What produces the ATP at this step in cellular respiration? ATP synthase. Electrons carried via NADH. Electrons carried via dash and dash. NADH and FADH2. Glycolysis produces a net of dash ATP. Two ATP. The Krebs cycle produces a net of dash ATP. Two ATP. The ETC and chemiosmosis produces a net of dash ATP. Around 30. Where do the ETC and chemiosmosis occur? Inner mitochondrial membrane. Where does glycolysis occur? Cytosol. What causes fermentation? Lack of oxygen. what is produced by the citric acid cycle? ATP, NADH, FADH2, and carbon dioxide. How can ATP synthesis be stopped? Suffocation, poisons that block electron transport, and uncouplers. Dear friends, thank you very much for trying out Biology Master Part 21. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye for now.